Homeowners in Murray are always looking for ways to enhance their living spaces while increasing long-term property value. One upgrade that continues to stand out for both style and functionality is the installation of bow windows. With their curved design and multiple glass panels, bow windows offer a combination of visual appeal and practical benefits that make them a smart investment for Murray properties. One of the most noticeable advantages of bow windows is how they transform the look of a home. Their elegant, arched appearance adds depth and architectural interest to both the interior and exterior. In Murray neighborhoods, where homes range from traditional to modern styles, bow windows can be customized to complement any design. This upgrade instantly elevates curb appeal, making your home more attractive and distinctive. Beyond appearance, bow windows significantly improve natural light. Their multi-panel design allows sunlight to enter from different angles, brightening your home throughout the day. In Murray, where seasonal changes can affect daylight hours, this added light makes interiors feel more open and inviting. Brighter spaces not only enhance comfort but also reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Another key benefit is the added sense of space. Because bow windows extend outward, they create additional interior room that can be used in a variety of ways. Many homeowners turn this space into a seating area, reading nook, or decorative feature. Even without added furnishings, the extra dimension makes rooms feel larger and less confined, improving overall livability. Energy efficiency is another reason bow windows are a smart upgrade. Modern designs often include insulated glass, multiple panes, and advanced coatings that help regulate indoor temperatures. In Murray's climate, where both warm summers and cooler winters are experienced, these features help maintain a consistent indoor environment. By reducing heat transfer, bow windows support your HVAC system and can contribute to lower energy costs. Ventilation is also enhanced with bow windows, especially when the side panels are operable. Opening these sections allows fresh air to circulate through your home, improving airflow and reducing indoor humidity. During mild weather in Murray, this natural ventilation can reduce the need for air conditioning and create a more comfortable living environment. Another advantage is improved views. Bow windows provide a wider, more panoramic perspective compared to traditional flat windows. This allows homeowners to enjoy more of their surroundings, whether it's a landscaped yard or neighborhood scenery. This connection to the outdoors adds to the overall appeal of the home. Durability is an important factor when considering any upgrade, and bow windows are designed to perform well over time. High-quality materials such as vinyl or fiberglass resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. In Murray, where weather conditions can vary, this durability ensures that the windows maintain their performance and appearance with minimal maintenance. Bow windows also contribute to noise reduction. Their multi-layer construction and tight seals help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. This added comfort is especially valuable for homeowners looking to create a peaceful living space. Another reason bow windows are a smart investment is their impact on property value. Features that improve light, space, and efficiency are highly attractive to potential buyers. In Murray's real estate market, homes with upgraded windows often stand out and can command higher interest. This makes bow windows not only a lifestyle improvement but also a financial one. Professional installation is essential to maximize these benefits. Because bow windows extend outward, they require proper structural support and precise fitting. Experienced installers ensure that the window is securely placed, sealed, and aligned correctly. This guarantees long-term performance and protects your investment. In addition to functional benefits, bow windows offer design flexibility. Homeowners can choose from various frame colors, finishes, and grid patterns to match their home's style. This level of customization ensures that the upgrade feels cohesive and intentional. In the end, Bow windows are a smart upgrade for Murray properties because they combine beauty, functionality, and long-term value. They enhance natural light, create additional space, improve energy efficiency, and elevate curb appeal, all while requiring minimal maintenance. For homeowners looking to make a meaningful improvement, bow windows offer a solution that delivers both immediate comfort and lasting benefits.